Okay, so I think I've got everything I need now. Let's get rid of that. Here's my Sheepshaver folder. I've already installed the GTK plus 2 or whatever the fuck prerequisites, and I have dropped my SDL.dll in my Sheepshaver folder. So if you haven't done that, you're gonna have to do that first. I've also, these ROMs are not gonna help me. Just get rid of that. And I think this toast is also useless. Get rid of that too. So I have my OS 9 that I got from their suggested search on the emulation site, and I also have this HFV I'm going to delete because I'll make a new one. And I also have the Mac, the New World 86.ROM, which I got from their suggested search as well. So we're going to launch Sheepshaver GUI. These are still here. We're going to get rid of those real quick. This is probably all still my previous settings. Just delete this. This was originally 16. So I did change this to dynamic, and then made it slightly larger. I could probably just max this though, since we're capturing the whole window. We're going to enable my computer so I can see inside of it. There's our installation media. We're going to create a hard drive as well, 1 gigabyte, or about a gigabyte. What was it? I already forgot. HFV. Okay. HFV. Okay. So now it created my shit. There's my hard drive. Ooh, these should be in order. You can rearrange them if you want to change your boot order. So I think this is all good. We do want to upgrade our memory. 512. It says put 512 or you might crash. And my ROM file is going to be the one I downloaded from their suggested search. New World 86.ROM. I've also checked ignore illegal memory accesses on advisement. We're going to start. I'm getting an error, which is CD enable access is missing. We're going to OK that error. And it looks like I'm actually working now. This is fantastic. Alright, we are actually working, so always follow the instructions and don't try and source your own media, because if you do, you will fail miserably. The media that you source will not work. Only the media that is suggested by the author of the guide will work. Thank you.